For bike guys, you've probably heard about the quad lock system, which can be fitted on cars, bikes, for running, everything, to carry your phone. So this is the quad lock system. I bought one for my motorcycle, for my CBR 600 RR, and this is gonna be a very quick tutorial on how to use it. As you can see here from the back, it can be applied to everything, cars, for running, for motorcycles, everything. So here goes a quick tutorial how to install it. So when you open it up, you get this. You get a little tool. You get two sizes of stem mounts or hex screws. You get the actual mount itself, and you get a dampener. Okay, I'll show you how to install it. So this is the bike I'm going to be installing it on. This is a Honda CBR 600 RR. You can see here I had a previous China-made phone mount, and I didn't like it very much for various reasons. It was cheap. It was about 1/4 the price of the quad mount. But anyway, this quad mount fits onto what we call the steering stem. First thing you do is remove this, which I've already loosened. That's why it came off easily. And then you look at the stem size. In your kit, there are two sizes, small and big. In my case, I've already worked it out that the small size fits better. So what you do is you install it into here by pushing it in like so. There you go. As simple as that. Then you take the tool that came with the kit and you screw in and tighten the mount. Now you straighten it as much as possible, like that, because this will rise up further. What I mean by that is that you can actually adjust the height later on like this, see? So just screw it in tight, facing forwards. Like so. Not too tight, okay? Don't break the thread. Once it's tight and in place, you take the cover that came with the kit, and for aesthetics, cover this spot. Push it in, and there it goes. This pivot here needs to be locked down, okay? It needs to be secured with the screw that came with the kit. So just put it in here and lock it in with the tool supplied. Now the angle that you lock it in is determined by you, so you can just push it up and down, okay? Like loosen it here and just angle it up or down as you wish to suit the angle that you want to look at your phone from your riding position. So in my case, I want it to be around this angle so that the phone can mount and I can turn my handlebar easily. Next thing you do is you take the actual mount from the kit and install it, screw it on with the tool supply right here. So yeah, take the tool, put it in, and start screwing till it's tight, very tight, okay? Okay, after installing the mount, I use these two pivoting points to adjust the angle to suit my bike and the size of my phone. So once I'm sure, just tighten it. Lock it in real tight so your phone doesn't fly off. When you have finished mounting the bracket onto your bike, take one of the stickers from the kit and stick it to the back of your phone, just like I've done here. Then it's very easy to just put your phone on there and just mount it. There you have it. Your phone's all ready to go. All right? Hope that helped. Enjoy the ride.